A smart way to clean floors. Cracks in the wall? All it takes is a little masking tape to make them disappear. Dilute some laundry detergent in plenty of water to clean delicate surfaces. Try this in your car. Use a lid to scrub clean the fabric without ruining it. Clean again. Are the dishwasher's spray arms catching? Here's a tip you might not know about. Now there's a lot more space. The filter needs a good cleaning. It is important to periodically remove hair and caked-on dirt. Use a toothbrush for a more thorough cleaning. This is much better. Now, move on to the sink. As good as new. Oh no! Here's a quick solution. Definitely more practical. No cleaning cloths available? Use a microfiber hair cap. Easy to use and great for reaching high-up spots. Don't know how to get rid of the built-up grime? If the faucet can't be unscrewed, try this method using citric acid. Fill with water and leave to act. Goodbye, lime scale.